Well, Jesse came to me complaining of low back pain and leg pain. It had been plaguing him for several years and been progressively getting worse. It was to the point where it was affecting his job.
Every time I had a back spasm, I'd be out for 2 or 3 days where my back would hunch over for, I'd be stuck in this weird, awkward sideways position, hunched sideways. And every night when I went to sleep, I dreaded going to sleep because I knew I'd wake up in pain. Sure enough, it was a bulging disc on L4 and L5. Well, initially, and my doctor referred me to a spine specialist that he was familiar with and comfortable with. So I saw him for a while. I went in for cortisone injections. Went through that, went through physical therapy, and all of it helped, and it did help alleviate some of the pain, but it eventually came back. So the doctor recommended actually having some type of invasive surgery. And it was something I just really wasn't comfortable with. And luckily at that time, Dr. Williams told me about the Accuroscope procedure.
The Accuroscope procedure is a minimally invasive spine surgery that addresses conditions of the spine, including herniated disc, bulging disc, degenerative disc, and/or scar tissue in a patient's spine.
The way he presented it was, here are the facts, here's what's been done on other patients, and here's the proven success rate.
Oftentimes patients come to me, and they're in so much pain and have their extremities affected so much that they can't walk without using an assistive device. That'd be a wheelchair, a cane, a walker. Upon doing the Accuroscope procedure, a lot of these patients no longer need an assistive device.
When I woke up from the surgery, I knew that it had worked. There was this weird feeling of intense pressure gone from my back.
After Jesse had the Accuroscope procedure, he followed up with me, and I determined that Jesse's pain was 100% gone. I
have now been able to focus more on work, focus more on and enjoying my family, getting just good quality sleep. I've been pain-free for 9 months now.